Hello and welcome to TAIK. I am Mohammedadnant, and in this video we are going to discuss about three types of group by DAX in Power BI. If you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, just click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Group by returns a table with a selected column for the group by column name, arguments, and the group by column designed by the name arguments. The expression syntax is group by the table name, grouping column name, and then output column name, and then the expression. So this is the example here. Now let's go into the practical. This is my Power BI file. In this I have the first three tables, this one, and this one, are related to the group by DAX function. Let's have a look one by one. This is a simple DAX function. In group by, first of all we need to define the table name, that is the sales territory, and then we need to define the group column name to which you want to make the grouping of it. Basically, this is enough to extract the group by result from a table. In this example, I use the sales territory table, and inside that I am extracting the sales territory name. So this is grouped together here. This is similar to the distinct DAX function in Power BI. So it extracts only the name of the sales territory in the table. The next is, this is the most used case scenario. In this, I have used the same DAX calculation as just used before. So group by table name, that is sales territory, and then the group column name, that is sales territory name. After that, I need to define output column name as a sales, and then you can define the expression. But here the thing is, we can't able to use the calculate DAX function inside the group by function. Though it is similar to the summarize DAX function, but we can't able to use this one, the calculate DAX function, inside the group by. As well as we can only able to use the functions like sumx, countx, averagex, minimumx, and maxx. I have made videos about the sumx, minimumx, and maxx in Power BI. If you haven't seen that, just click on the link here on top of your screen. Now coming back to this one, in group by, it has introduced a new DAX function inside to that is current group. What this function does is, on top of this, you have extracted this result, this table and group by column name. This extract the data from this expression and store it inside this one. So basically it is creating a temporary table inside a measure. So I am using sumx. This is a virtual table of the above calculation, its current group name, comma, the total sales YTD from the sales territory table. Through that you can able to extract the data like this. So this is the sales territory name and these are the sales YTD. Not only that, so the first initial stage we just extracted the column group by, and then we taken the value from the same table. It's a little bit complicated, and the next step is much more complicated. We can able to get the data from another table by using the group by DAX function as well. So clicking on the DAX function here, group by the third one. Here what I have done is, instead of table name, I used an expression like add columns. I have made a video about add columns in Power BI. If you haven't seen that, just click on the link here on top of your screen. Now coming back to this one, add columns, I have taken the sales territory tables and then I have given a name here, this name count, that's the sales territory name. So inside to that, it has an added column of the sales territory table, and then I use the group by column function as sales territory group, and finally the output column name, that is user defined column name, so it's country count, and then count of the current group which is taken from this expression, and then the name of the count. This name of the count is nothing but which are defining it here. These two has to match here, and finally the output is this the one. The sales territory group is Europe, North America, and Pacific. If I am using it down, and let's have a look at the DAX function again. So this is a DAX function. So add columns. I have add a column of sales territory country count, and then the group. This group is nothing but Europe, North America, and Pacific. And inside this, I am just making the count of it. In North America is 6, Europe is 3 and Pacific is 1. Let's have a look at the table structure of sales territory. So go into data type, sales territory table. If you look at this one, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of North America, Europe is 3 and Pacific is 1. So going back to this one, Europe is 3, North America 6 and Pacific is 1. So it extracts the data by using the group by function. So in this example, in this video, we have learned that we can able to use the three types of group by. One is the simple one, we can extract the distinct column name, that is group by column name from one table, and we can summarize the value or count in a single table. Not only that, we can able to extract the data from another table to this table with the help of the group by function. So these are the three types of group by DAX in Power BI. If you like this video, just click on the big thumbs up button. If you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, just click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notification. Share it with your friends and colleagues. If you have any queries and feedback, just post it on the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Keep learning. See you in the next video.